In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5, often abbreviated as MT5, is a versatile trading platform used across a wide array of devices. Whether you're on an Android, iPhone, or iPad, or using Windows, Mac, or Linux, MetaTrader 5 is accessible. You can even use it through a web browser if downloading isn't your preference. Let's dive into how you can get started with MetaTrader 5 on your device. First, let's focus on downloading the app for mobile devices like Android phones, iPhones, and iPads. Begin by opening your App Store. If you're using an Android device, this means opening the Google Play Store. If you're on an iPhone or iPad, you'll want to open the App Store instead. Once that is done, you are ready to move on to the next step. Now, in the search bar of your chosen App Store, type in MetaTrader 5. It's important to ensure that the app you find is developed by MetaQuotes Software Corp. This is crucial because MetaQuotes is the official developer, and choosing the right one ensures you get a secure and reliable app. After you have found the correct app, it's time to install it. For Android users, you will tap Install. If you're on an iPhone or iPad, tap Get. This step is straightforward but vital. It ensures the app is properly downloaded and ready for use. Once the installation is complete, you're ready to open the app. You can open MetaTrader 5 directly by tapping Open in the App Store, or you can find it on your home screen. It's always reassuring to see the familiar app icon appear, signaling that you're ready to start exploring the platform. With the app open, you will need to log in or create a demo account. If you have broker credentials, select Login to an existing account and enter your details. Alternatively, you can open a free demo account. This is a great option if you're new to trading, as it allows you to practice without any financial risk. Practicing with a demo account can help you become familiar with the platform's features. Next, let's talk about downloading MetaTrader 5 on your desktop. This process is straightforward as well. Go to the official MetaTrader website and navigate to the MetaTrader 5 download page. From there, you can select your operating system, whether it be Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Download the installer, then follow the installation prompts. This step is important because a proper installation ensures all functionalities work smoothly. Lastly, if you prefer not to download anything, MetaTrader 5 offers a web-based platform. This can be accessed directly in your browser without any installation. Simply go to metatrader.com. Navigate to their web trader section and log in with your broker account. This option is fantastic for those who prefer a quick and simple setup. It allows you to trade from almost any device with internet access. And that's it. You've learned how to download and access MetaTrader 5 on various platforms. Whether you choose a mobile app, desktop version, or the web interface, you now have the knowledge to get started. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.